So there's a bird in my motherfucking house. What do I fucking do? What the fuck do I do? Oh my god. This poor thing's trying to get out. Come here, birdie, birdie, bird. Come here, birdie. What the fuck do I do? Hello, birdie. I'm gonna approach the bird. Go the other way. No. What do I do? Jesus. Oh my god. There's a fucking bird in my house. Where'd it go? Did it fly away? Can't see through the fucking mirror. Reflection of the thing. It's not gonna fly in my face now, is it? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I hear. Oh, fuck, it's in my house. It's fucking flying around. Jesus. What did I do? Ah! Come on, birdie. Go the other way! No, bird. No. That's not how you do this. Ah! Fly that way. Fly. Go, 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 go. Go. You're almost there. That's the exit. Get out. Go. Shoo. There we go. Shit, it's out. It's fucking out. Poor little thing probably had a heart attack. Oh shit. Oh fuck. There's another bird. What are you gonna do about that, Nugget? I guess it's mating season or something. This bird's trying to get with that bird. That bird's trying to get with that bird. Oh yeah. Oh, this is weird. This is crazy. I'm trying to give that bird a rest before I like go freak it out again. It's gonna have a heart attack. Alright, birds. Shoo. Shoo. Get out of here. Fly away. That one has like red on it. There they go. Gone into the tree. Hope you had a good visit, birdie. Hope you had a good visit. Nugget.